Forgive me if I have to scream because I'm upset. Women, stop providing for men. Women, stop giving men money. Women, stop being desperate. In as much as, yes, you want to get married, you want to do this, you want to settle down. Stop making these men boys. It is you that have made them constantly lazy and become boys. Allow a man take up his responsibility and provide. That is his job. Take away provision from a man. He is a boy. Argue with your keypad. Fight with your phone. Fight with your ancestors. Even the women that have refused to accept it end up accepting it by the time they become victims. What is provision? Provision is an ability to bring something, to give something, to drop something. Yes. If a man cannot provide, I'm so sorry. He's not a man. He's still a boy. Who is a boy? A boy is that person that is with manhood, who is not ready to provide or carry responsibility. But his penis is always erect, looking for where to insert it. A boy is always active, always ready to have sex. That is all they do because they are jobless. It takes somebody who doesn't have anything to be having sex every day. Yes. A man cannot be having sex with you every day. A man can have quality sex with you. A sex is going to have with you that is going to last you for 1 week. But boys, every day, morning, afternoon, night, they want to sleep with you. It's because they don't have anything to do. They're not using their brains. They're only using their dick, their manhood. I don't know what you women call love. But don't be foolish. Because you feel somebody is sleeping with you, somebody is doing this, or somebody is sexing you, or somebody is making love to you, or doing whatever to you, you allow him not to do his responsibility. A man's sole responsibility is to provide. A lot of people come up with, what if he doesn't have money? You know that the country is hard, blah, 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 blah. My point is this. Let that man be on a journey. Then assist him when he's on a journey. If you do not meet a man that is on a journey and he's standing, he will drag you. Let there be an attempt. Let there be a movement. Then you come in to assist. The man should provide rice, make stew. The man should provide water, buy cup. He should bring indomie, buy egg. I don't know if you're getting my point. Your job is to assist. Assistance means somebody has been doing something, then you came in. You met the person along the way. There's a journey. You did not start journey. Don't start journey for anybody. Don't do that. You make them lazy. That's what you do. But you think you're helping them. How many of those men have you helped that is still with you today? Let me tell you something. A man is built to provide. That is how God has done. That's how God has made all of them. That's why it looks as if no matter what you give a man, he still looks for somebody else to give it to. Yes. If you give a man 100,000 right now, he's going to look for a smaller girl. He's going to dash 5,000 naira to. It's not because he's a bad person. That is how they are built. Men are built to provide. If you give them, they will look for somebody else to give. It's only natural. It's not because they are bad people or because they are cheats. That is how they are built. So as a woman, you think you are trying to help him by giving him money, by giving him work. You go out every day. A so-called man will be lying in the bed, pressing phone, doing nothing. You come back from work every day. He will climb on top of you, have sex with you. Tomorrow again, you give him money. You are a fool as a woman if you do that. I ask you again, take away provision from a man. What else can he do? The only thing a man can do for a woman is to provide. The only thing a man can do in his life is to provide. That is what God has given to them. That is their sole responsibility as a man. Who is a man? That man that is willing to carry responsibility. That is willing to provide. That is willing to take care of his life. Just like chicken. You see what chicken provides there? It's even a real man wants to give his woman. It's only, I don't see that man that is a real man that wants to collect from a woman. The moment you start collecting from a woman, you've sold your birthright. Yes. You don't expect to be collecting from a woman and still want that respect as a man. Okay, it's not possible. You have sold your birthright like Esau. Yes, that's what it is. My point is, assist is different from provide. Men have to have the ability to provide. Like I once said, they should buy indomie, buy egg. You know why? Indomie is still food, with or without egg. Indomie can be eaten, right? Assistant is a plus. Somebody is already doing something and you want to add, right? Somebody have 50,000 naira to start business. You want to add 20,000 naira for the person making it 70,000 naira. There's an attempt. There's a movement. Do not help any man that is just standing still like this and be waiting for someone to help him. It's going to drag you. A lot of celebrities, a lot of people who have gotten themselves involved with marriage, you end up marrying boys. You won't be able to stay. That's the thing. By the time you marry that boy, you can't even stay. How long do you want to carry responsibility as a woman? You will just die. By the time you marry these boys right now, you now start seeing that this guy cannot join. You become irritated. Those things you were tolerating, you can't tolerate it anymore. Yes, they are built that way. Allow a man do his responsibility. Let desperation not take you to boys. Because no matter how desperate you are and you still marry a boy, you will still leave him. Go and mark the calendar. You will still leave the boy. It's just temporal. Because at some point as a woman, you will get tired of providing. Because it is not your work. Do you know why sometimes when women bring out money, we grumble? It's not our job. There are some certain things we do not digest in the Bible. We just read the Bible for selfish reasons. Or we take other people's interpretation of the Bible. And put, if you read your Bible very, 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 very well, a man's sole responsibility is to provide. You will not even argue with it. That was the only punishment God gave to men. You would till the soil before you get what to eat. So if you see a man suffering to get what to eat, it is not a new thing. It is normal. The Bible have already said it. It's like saying it as abnormal, a woman trying to push a child, a woman going through pain. You just tell the woman it is normal. You know it is normal for a woman to push a child, go through pain at that period of time. Because it's what God has said in the Bible. Why is that when a man is now suffering, it's no longer normal? You want to come and help him. Leave them to suffer their suffer. The only thing you can do is assist them with either word of encouragement or assist them if you have anything to contribute to their life. It's called contribution. Don't give. Contribute. That's my point. Don't take away their job from them. That is how God has designed them. They are bound to provide. Argue with your phone. Argue with your keypad. Argue with anything. That's what makes you a man. Any other one that is just walking about with manhood. Now, what are the manhood? Shaking man is just a boy. That's the only thing he has to offer you. Fuck. Sex. After that, hunger will kill you. You will drink garri. Unfortunately, if you're not a hardworking woman, you will drink garri. Even if you're a hardworking woman, one day, you will get tired of carrying a man's responsibility. Because you cannot be carrying costs of woman and be carrying costs for man. You will just die. Allow everybody collect their costs. Woman, born your pikin will pay. Man, suffer get money. Now cost, they cost all of us. God gave the two of us costs. He gave you costs for money. He gave us costs for childbearing. Carry your costs. Carry your costs. Women, leave them to carry you. Carry your own costs. Have you finished carrying your own costs? You're looking for man's costs.